do.
What you say you doing, Hunter?
Making dreams come true, one bolt at a time.
One bolt at a time.
I heard your truck was caught on fire the other day.
What?
Hey, cut up!
Oh!
Should we need to push this out before you burn the whole shop? Oh, what's...
What happened, Matt? What'd you do to the thing? What was it, Matt? Oh, man, that damn God. You just get out of here. Hey, don't start that fire truck shit. Man, you guys need to stop. Matt, why you do your boy like that, Matt?
Everyone gets funny. The 2020 Charger.
Oh, the 2020 Charger is back. Hey, man, look, 2020 Charger, I got somebody that said they got a bet with you. They said it's a shop race, $500. They said they want to get their rent paid and you're ready to pay it.
Oh, you talking about Jacob over there?
Yeah, that's what he said.
I'll be running my vet against him.
Oh, you gonna run a vet against him?
It's a Pro Charge 383 stroker. I think it's 373 gears in the rear end.
Oh, I didn't know it was a Pro Charge stroker vet.
it's crazy.
I think you may be making rent money instead of Jacob.
He thinks he's gonna make that rent money. He's gonna learn the hard way.
Oh, God. Wow. There he is. Everybody wants to know why come I can't get you on video more? Because he's working. This is what he does. Somebody got to work around here.
That's right. Somebody's got to work instead of playing jokes.
Hey.
Yeah, instead of Hunter.
Hey, Travis said I did the right thing. As soon as that Dodge was on fire, push that out and save the shop.
Oh, shit. God darn it. God
You know what
darn
they
it.
call Dodge in Germany?
What do they call him?
Kindling wood.
God darn it. Hey, Hunter, what's the chances of us getting this transmission out of this car and measured before Monday so I can get my drive shaft measured?
About that much?
What? How much feel?
About that much?
Phil, is that how much hair you used to have on top?
About that much.
About that much.
Hey, if you get the blessing from the people that are higher up than me.
What? Is somebody higher up than you? Is that God or what?
Yeah, yep. And as long as Travis says to do it, it can get done.
Okay. I want to know, what is it like for you working under the tutelage of the ever-wise Hunter Holt? That's what everybody wants to know.
There's a lot more learning than you think there is. Like right now, he's about to teach me how to use this wedge for these things.
Literally, his IQ goes up at least 1 point every hour he's around.
It says a lot. I was like a 2% IQ when I first started.
Chad, quick! Hey, y'all, this is the reason why my transmission can't get put in the car, because of this slow car sitting up here getting all the work when the fast car is waiting on this slow car to get this slow work done to the slow car. We
don't do it in a day. We do it after work.
Hey, so. Man, look, it's so slow, he had to write quick all over it to trick people.
Holy crap.
Uncle Tom?
Yeah, Uncle Tom.
Uncle Tom will come off that list.
Need to put the soul snatch on there, the real deal.
Well, yeah, I mean, I need to button up a couple things. When do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Did you talk to whoever said machining the fly?
All that is the mandrel that goes into the back, the pilot on the back of the crane. Not anything that we haven't seen 1,000 times.
Okay, that's what I thought.
And they just have to cut it down a little bit. We'll stick the converter up in the flywheel and see what the space is.
It came with several different hubs, so. Yeah. And I'm just worried about the flex plate he has being the right bolt pattern.
Where'd you get the flex plate from?
I I don't know.
We don't know what's in it.
I guess it's a flex plate on the car. You need me to call AJ to see?
Well, factory one for sure ain't gonna work.
Okay, well let me call him right now and see.
Right there, baby.
Yeah, it is. Got all these Mustangs shaking up in here.
If you don't know, now you know.
Now you know.
Now you know.
Got all the Mustangs shaking up in here.
Hey, but the one outside ain't.
Boy, Matt, you look good in that. You look straight gangster, man.
Hey, Matt makes this look good.
Straight gangster.
All right, so we pulled the PCM, the BCM, and the RF module to get sent out to get reprogrammed, so that whenever it gets back, we can do the trans swap, and this thing will be killing some motherfuckers.
Hey, we had to send him a key too, didn't we?
Yes, we did. We sent him the red key.
All right, it's all going to Hemi Tuner, AJ Burge. There you go, brother.
That's the RF module.
Mm-hmm.
The BCM's over here in the
Hey, man, where my big subwoofer at right here? Where my speaker?
Man, you don't need that when you're racing. That's weight.
We're about to take a major undertaking with the Soul Snatcher, and we're gonna take out part of the muscle, which is the transmission, and we're gonna put in the Turbo 400 by Rossler.
Yes, sir.
That should turn it into a beast, soul snatching beast,
Oh, yeah.
all over the world.
Be able to take on anyone.
So you're gonna drop it out, put it in, measure it up, and then we'll get the drive shaft made, sent in, and get it made for it.
Yep.
All right, brother, a lot of work to do.
I am currently pulling off the trans-cooler lines out of the transmission because, well, we can't use them no more anyways.
There you go. All right, brother, here we go with the bad Rossler transmission. Hey, man, what do you know about Rossler, Matt?
Rossler's one of the top transmissions used in the world for drag racing. A lot of the street outlaw guys run them. Shift quick and they're strong as hell.
The Soul Snatcher is waiting on this car right here. You know, after I beat your car, Chad, they call me the Slow Snatcher instead of the Soul Snatcher. So I'm waiting on you to finish this transmission lift for this manual transmission that every time you shift, you go backwards when you race.
Oh,
Well, I can't go backwards because I'm so far in front of you.
What did Pavin do?
You can see him going down the track, and as he was trying to go into, I think, the third, he ended up going in reverse, so you just see a flash of white light.
Oh, I remember that. I was at the track that day. Yeah. I wonder what the hell happened. I thought maybe he hit some nitrous or
He
something.
hit reverse when he
Because
went
I saw that boom. Golly. Woo, look at him crying. He running. Somebody tackle him.
John, where's your light?
Did you take my baton black one?
It don't work.
It's not even charged, bro.
Oh yeah, because I unplugged it. I forgot about that.
Of course you did. Of course you did.
Well, you said you wanted to buy it, so I'm like, nah,
the
he
hard
wants to
way
buy it,
or
I'm
no
just gonna-
other way, right? All right, no, we'll get
It's a
this
joke,
out.
not a dick. Don't take it so hard.
I came up with that.
You say don't take it so hard.
It's a joke, not a dick. Don't take it so hard.
Oh, no.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'd feel like shit if you hurt your back again.
Yeah.
Oh, I'd be all right. Now I just helped them lift that one over there.
Yeah, no. I'm not taking that serious, man. Sorry. I don't want that on my conscience.
Ready, man.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. There he is, Luis from King Wheel and Tires, doing his thing. So what you doing to it, Luis?
I'm just taking this multiple pieces out. So really it's just the retaining portion of the main subframe for the center console. Once we get all the trim pieces off, it's really just a couple of screws and bolts, and she can pop out. What they want to see is the plate that this shifter mounts above, and then that's where the area that you'll have to get that stuff installed there.
Yeah, then he said once you install it, you set it back over the top of it.
Yeah, the way it's going to be.
Mm-hmm.
But we're not going to put the stock shifter back in.
Yeah, we can't have both shifters on them.
I know, well, that's what I thought you were trying to come up with.
No, but I wanted the center console back in.
Yeah.
If we can.
No, we can.
If not, we can put a Mustang console in there.
Nah, it might be too fast then.
It might be too fast. Shit. Take the trash out. What did you say about my transmission?
The actual trash.
What? Oh, God darn it.
This plate right here, yep, should be just a couple of 10 mils, and then you have all of this room that's going to be open once you.
If the shifter
undo
went
that.
right above that.
Yeah, the shifter goes right here above this guy.
Okay,
And
we
so
need to.
this-
And all. Well, let me see. It might be strong enough we can weld the tubing straight to this.
So these planes should be right on each other. I don't know if you want to use that for it, but I would put like the same thing like the bolt.
This is pretty stout right here. And it's sealed up real good, so I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna weld a small plate to it,
Okay.
and then weld the tubing to it that the shifter's gonna mount straight to this.
Okay.
It's
But
nice,
but you'll be able to remove that shifter out of that console.
Out of here?
So yeah. So
Yeah.
our shifter will set over the top of it.
Yeah, it's gonna come up in the same. It's probably not gonna fit down in there. It's probably gonna be the whole thing is gonna be up above.
No, I don't. Just so long as I can have my buttons up on the front of the dash.
We'll just zip tie those up here. Yeah. We'll just take those out.
What?
Zip tie.
Boy.
We could just zip tie this, right? Just take
Boy,
this out
hush your
and zip
mouth.
tie it right there.
Louise,
Down to the-
see, that's why you got to come over here, Louise. Yeah.
And you still have your cup
And I
holder.
still got my cup holders. There you go.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm so glad you showed up, Louise, because they was trying to put a Ford center console in my car.
Saw a sawzall around here somewhere. Thought they were trying to go at
They're
it.
trying to cut it up. All right, guys, Hunter's got us going to a metal supermarket so we can fix this shifter in this car. What you got? No mask?
No mask.
Damn, let me see if I got a mask in the car. I know it, man. This is the mask era. You gotta have a damn mask. Guys, so we got to get this transmission fabbed into the car with the shifter. So Hunter said there's only one place to come to, and that is to Metal Supermarket.
We're getting the metal that we need to fab up that bracket to mount. It's gonna fit in here. Clamp it down. Do a little fine adjustment on here.
Oh,
And we'll
okay.
put our-
like a bicycle seat.
That's exactly what this looks like. We'll put our quick pin through there.
Mm-hmm.
After we get drilled and cut this down to whatever length we need, mount it. That's gonna be it.
What
Well,
that hook-
this goes into. It looks like it has, as far as for your neutral safety switch, where it'll only start in park or neutral, and then these shifters have a special feature. Whenever it's in low gear and you have this pulled and that pulled like that, also activates the
neutral?
No, also the trans brake. A lot of people don't know that about these shifters. You let it off like that and let go of the trans brake.
Oh, well, I don't
Or
have a trans
right,
brake
well,
on
I'm
it.
just saying that's what that's for.
Oh, wow, I didn't. So you can just let it go. Okay. So I'll be shifting like this.
And it will have a shifter cable that if we do it like this, it'll come out right here. And we'll have to have it to where it comes in, like through here. It'd be the best.
Okay.
You really won't have but one cup holder.
See, I thought it was gonna sit up on a pole.
No, we can do that.
Like setting up
We can
like
do that.
this on a pole.
Yeah, but then I was looking at it as far as the shifter cable. It'll be right here, and where the fuck is,
Just run it back down through
Well,
there
it can't
something.
take that sharp of a bend.
It can't bend like that.
No, I mean, we can maybe move this to where it's not hitting the... It might be able to make that bend right there.
Does it have to angle this way? Or
No,
can
it don't
angle
have
straight
to,
ahead?
but as far as it'll put the cable where we want it, you know what I mean? Or it could be here, but it's more comfortable for me for it to be at some sort of an angle.
You mean like angled out?
Yeah,
like that?
just a little bit,
So
yeah.
it doesn't make a difference if it's angled.
It don't
when
make
you
a
shift.
difference. Yeah, it's just the preference. So that'd be part, and then it'll go through all the gears.
Yeah, and then that leaves the console wide open. Okay. I like it, bro.
Okay. That's where I put it then.
Good job, huh?
I'm gonna have it mounted tonight, so.
You think you can do a tattoo with that, Hunter?
Yep. Test fit this. Make sure we're good with everything, and if you like where it's at, then all that'll be left is bracing.
Oh, I like where it's
a
at.
support.
I like it. It's good. Perfect. Man, I appreciate you staying late, Hunter, and helping me get this done. I got a lot of souls to snatch, Hunter.
do it.
Very little time to do it in. Let me get Chad's flow on her. Look at him over here, right here, just sad. So you done bought a Cobra jet?
No, I
you
didn't buy no
want to
Cobra
give
jet.
up? You want to give up and get you a Cobra jet?
No, not yet.
No, he said nothing. Let me show you the problem. You see this little old bitty baby drive shaft right here at the Mustang? Come on, man. Let me show y'all where it's at. If you want to go fast like me, Chad Quick, you got to get PST. Hit him with the long stroke.
Well, you're just getting a long drive shaft for compensation or something.
Yeah, that's not what she said. Woo! Ah! Wow. There it is. Good Lord.
First of all, there's a method to the madness. This is for convenience and checking it right now and feeling it. It ain't gonna stay there. We're about a half a quart low.
Okay.
I mean, it's right at the low point, but I want it in the middle.
Right.
So we'll put a little bit of fluid in it.
Shut it off.
Shut it off.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.